In today's video, I'll show you how to install a 100% save file in Last of Us Part 2. Check my video description for the save file download link. Right click and select pen drawer and select open within drawer. Navigate to documents, Last of Us Part 2 random number, save data. Before dropping the 100% save, backup your game progress. Name this folder backup and then drag and drop your game progress files inside this backup folder. And drop all the save files inside the save data. Now you can launch the game. Go to story, load game, choose the save file you like to play, select yes option. As you can see, the save file successfully loads. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.